and just slow dance with you, spinning you around by the Walmart sign and moving our feet over the painted white lines, getting close to you, making the most of whatever we got, even if it's just a slow dance in a parking lot. Whoa, whoa. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Slow Dance in a Parking Lot by Jordan Davis. I haven't done a Jordan Davis song yet, so and this is a great one. One of the reasons I decided I wanted to do this one right now is I was just going on a walk around the city, and it's like a ghost town everywhere right now, you know. And I just love the simplicity of just being grateful that you can even slow dance in a parking lot, because I think in a lot of places right now, like, you can't even do that, right? So just I just love the idea of being grateful for the things that we have. So this is a great song. It's obviously very sweet and stuff, but the nice thing about this too is that it's the standard tuning and there's no capo. So it's one of the ones I call like a good raw guitar song, because you can just play. You don't need any extra special tuning or anything. So real quick, for those of you who have subscribed to me, I've got a lot of subscribers lately. Thanks a ton, I really appreciate it. For those of you who haven't, if you find this video useful, please subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new ones. All right, so let's get started. Again, standard tuning, no capo. Love both of those things. All right, so the main chords you're going to start with, and there's going to be some order, some variation in the order that you're going to use these, but you're going to use G, and I'm torn on how to tell you to play the G, because it's very easy to switch from this G to D, and that's what you're going to do almost every time you play the G, okay? So you're going to go G, D. That's very easy, but then you're also at one point going to go to C and then to G, and it's very easy to switch from that C, you can see that's from C to this G. It's harder to switch from that C to that G. So you're going to have to decide what is better for you, okay? So you are also going to use B minor, okay, in the song. Now, the strumming pattern is super easy for the song. It's basically just this the whole time. It's dun 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 dun. So it's just down the whole time, but it's down down, so down 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 down. Okay, I'm just using my finger, but you can use a pick if you want to. All right, there's no picking like that or anything that you need to in this song. So now that's the intro to the song I just showed you. Okay, so it's G, D, G, D, C. You stay on C the longest, okay? Then I'm gonna have to look up the lyrics because I don't know the song well enough, but so you can palm mute it, and I think that sounds really good. Or if that's maybe harder for you or something, you can actually just lightly, just play it more lightly. So, okay, when you go into the verse. So the intro is gonna be louder. Okay, so it's up to you on if you want to, which G you want to use, and if you want to palm mute that or not. Or sorry, palm mute in the verse, but you can do either one. So you can go, lights go down, wheels go round, I'm taking you home, hoping for a slow song to come on the radio now. I'm not ready to shut it down. So you see that? So I don't know if you could see so I can just look at when people are playing and I can tell, okay, I think they're playing this chord. So you start with G. Lights go down, wheels go round, I'm taking you home. Taking you home is when you go to D. Taking you home, hoping for a slow song. And then you go to C. Song to come on the radio now. I'm not ready to shut it down the way the dashboard glows. Okay, so you go to D last. So you go G. So you go G, D, C. Okay, and you stay with that. And then you go to G. I have seen some tabs that say you go G, D, C, D, and then G again. I don't think that that's right. I think it's lights go down, wheels go round, I'm taking you home. Hoping for a slow song to come on the radio now. I'm not ready to shut it down the way the dashboard blew. Okay, so then you go back to G. So I don't, some of the tabs I've seen say to put a D in between C and G. I don't think that that's right. So you can try it if you think it sounds good, do it. I don't think that that's right though. So it doesn't, it sounds wrong to me when I play it and sing it. So I think it goes C, you play C for like 2 lines of lyrics, okay? I'm not ready to shut it down the way the dashboard blew. And then you just go, then you can do it again and you go G, D, C. Okay, so at the end of the first verse, you're gonna go, the only thing I wanna do is find a spot, stop this car, throw it in park. Okay, and park, you're gonna just do one last strum, and just slow. Okay, then you go into the chorus. So now if you're palm muting it, you can go like, you can go and throw it in park. You can do that, or you can still do like something like that. If you got, whether you have a pick, I keep looking over here because I have one too. So if you want to do it with a pick, that'll make your palm muting louder usually. But you can also, and you can do that, or you can use your finger. I like to use the top of my middle finger to do that. Throw it in park and just slow dance with you, spinning you around by the Walmart sign. Okay, so that's where the chord progression changes. You're going G. G is slow dance, and then like a little bit partway into dance, you do D. Dance with you. And then you go to B minor. Spin you around by the Walmart sign and moving the feet. Then you go to C. Okay, so it's G, D, B minor, C. Moving our feet over the painted white lines, getting close. So you see, you go to G, close. So halfway through close, you do D. To you. Then it's on B minor, it's making the most of whatever we got, even if it's just, okay, even if it's just, as we do C, even if it's just a slow dance in a parking lot. And then you do D, G, D, okay? All right, now you're gonna do that once, so, because you can, if you listen to the song, you can hear in the background, it goes, slow dance in a parking lot, okay? I can't remember how he exactly sings it, but he sings slow dance in a parking lot. You just do G, D there. And then you start over again. Half song gone, one door open across the lot. I rent a cop car, I rent cops rolling a security car. Okay, so then you go through that, and the second verse is longer than the first, which is kind of opposite of a lot of songs, but that's how it's played there. So then you do that, so then you go through the second verse and the second chorus, and then there's an instrumental part, and they do like a little whoa, all right, during the instrumental. So the instrumental part is similar. It's you're just gonna play G. Okay, G, same strumming pattern. D and C, and you're gonna play C for like as long as you play G and D together. Okay, so it's gonna be twice as long as one of them. All right, C. All right, then you go, and then in the bridge is, and then for this part, I would recommend making it very quiet, and then so it's. Get close to you, so it's G. Let's see, and get close, so G, D, to you, and then you go to B minor, making the most of whatever we got, even if it's just slow. Okay, so that's how it goes there. So it's G, and I recommend palm muting it or else playing it really soft. This is where the song really slows down and gets like softer. So you go slow, getting close. So that's the switch from G to D. To you, and then after you go, making the most of whatever we got, even if it's just slow. So you just do a quick strum. You don't have to do that, but I think that's more of what they do in the song, because they like let it ring. So they go slow. Okay, so that's how they do that. So, and then at the end, then you're going to go into the chorus again and do slow dance in a parking lot. Okay, actually, I think it just goes to slow dance with you. Sorry, I'm remembering the lyrics wrong. I'm more teaching the guitar and how to sing it a little bit than like actually the word for word lyrics everywhere. But anyway, so yeah, then at the end of the song, you're going to play that slow dance with you, spinning you around by the Walmart sign and moving our feet over the painted white lines, getting close to you. Making the most of whatever we got, even if it's just a slow dance in a parking lot. Whoa. Okay, so you're gonna play that part, the whoa, at the end of the song. So you're gonna go G, D, B minor, C. You're gonna play that twice, okay? And there's no lyrics other than if you want to go whoa, whoa. Okay, those are the, and then, so that's how the song technically ends, and at the end of the song it's just the chord. But if you're playing it like at a campfire or something like that, you can kind of just do it however you want. You could do that, or you can go, you could do, so you could just end it like that, or sometimes I'll do that, and then I'll go, and then you could end it on G. All right, just do that. If you noticed, it's easy. The way that I prefer to play it is with this G, and even though it's harder to switch to that D, I prefer switching from C to that G that way. So that's why I do this. I do C, and then I like to switch to that G. It's just really easy. I don't know why. It's just, I mean, that's how I've played it always. So anyway, that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have any special requests, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.